The reason you never enjoyed reading is because no one ever taught you how to read a book correctly.
One eternity later.
So you finally decided to make the switch from scrolling on your phone all the time and just wasting a bunch of time taking in useless knowledge that doesn't really mean anything to you, to reading books. And this is something which is very hard in the modern day, and you know it because it's always easier to just grab our phones. But there is a really simple protocol to start reading more books and actually gaining knowledge from them and feeling like you're getting something out of it. The first thing you're going to do is set an intention for a time to read, and it just has to be for 5 minutes a day. You're just going to start with 5 minutes. You're going to set out this time. So I do this just before bed, and choose one book which you actually think will provide you value. So you can go on YouTube or something and search top 5 books for X. So if you like entrepreneurship, then entrepreneurship. Fitness, you can read about mental health, whatever you want to read about. And then what you're going to do is choose one of these books and buy a physical copy. Now it's great and all having all these digital copies, especially with a bunch of books being free online. But having a physical copy stops you from going on your phone at night and thinking, oh, I'll just open a book, and then you get one notification and you scroll for 30 minutes. You're going to buy this physical book, you're going to put it next to where you sleep, or if you're going to do it in the morning, put it on your desk. Then rather than just reading this book and gaining nothing from it, you're going to take a pen and paper and write down everything you've gained from it. So the way you're going to do this is once you've read a chapter or a small section, you kind of think like, oh, this is kind of cool, maybe I can apply this to real life. You're going to write out what the fact is. So it might be to not eat for the first few hours of the day to increase your focus. Write down why you think it's going to help you, and then set the intention to try it on a day where you have the time to do it. So for example, I could say that tomorrow I will not eat breakfast. I'm just going to drink water for the first 3 hours, and I'm going to do 2 hours of work in the morning. Try these things out. See what helps you from the book. If it's the kind of thing where you can't apply it, then do more research into it online. And by the time you finish the book, you'll have a whole summary of the best things from the book. So for example, I'm into Stoicism, and I read Meditations, and I thought, okay, I've learned all these other things about being a Stoic. But then over the past few months, I was like, okay, maybe I'm kind of detached from the Stoicism. I haven't read the book in a while. I haven't been applying it as much. So what I did to combat this was I reread the book and I re-went over the things I'd written down, and I was like, there's more stuff I can gain from this book. And you'll realize that you'll collect a small collection of about 5 to 10 books which you believe resonate with you the most and which you think have helped you the most. And from there you'll find your favorite authors, and you will slowly realize that this has helped you in more ways than just reading books. By reading books, you increase your focus as well, because we're so used to being stimulated by our phones. Like, we think that this is the normal level of dopamine. But if you can now just sit down and read a book in silence or just with a little bit of background noise, then you will be able to focus when you're just studying with a little bit of background noise or in silence. And your focus will increase, your productivity will increase, and your output will increase, and you'll be able to get more done. As for when you're actually reading, it's important you have a routine. So the way I do this, I like to make a nice hot drink. I make some coffee in the morning, or if it's out of bed, I'll make decaf. I will play the same playlist every time, which I'm really familiar with, just to block out some noise. I'll put on some noise cancelling headphones, and I will just read. And I'll put on some nice smooth lights as well sometimes. And this just helps me, get in the zone of reading, and you'll find almost ritual for yourself as well, which gets you in the zone for your reading. And over time you'll be able to perfect this, and I promise you, if in a few months you stick to this, you would have finished so many books and gained so much more knowledge than just scrolling on your phone forever.